In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to landscape in WPS Office. If you need to change your document from the standard vertical page view to a horizontal one, WPS Office makes it very quick and simple. This is especially useful when you're working with wide tables, charts, images, or any content that needs more space across the page. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change in just a few clicks. Start by opening your WPS file. Make sure the document you want to edit is already on screen before moving to the next step. If you're working on a report, spreadsheet style layout, or a page with large visual elements, changing the orientation can make your content much easier to read and organize. Once your file is open, go to the Page Layout tab. This tab contains the main settings related to how your document appears on the page, including margins, size, and orientation. If you're not used to working in WPS Office, take a moment to look along the top toolbar and find Page Layout. It should be grouped with other document formatting options. After that, select Orientation. This option controls whether your page is displayed in portrait mode or landscape mode. Portrait is the default in most documents, which means the page is taller than it is wide. Landscape changes that layout so the page becomes wider than it is tall. Now choose Landscape. As soon as you click it, your document will switch to the horizontal page orientation. This gives you extra width, which can be helpful for fitting more content across the page without making everything feel cramped. And that's it. Your document is now set to landscape in WPS Office. As a quick tip, after changing the orientation, it's a good idea to look over your document and check the spacing, alignment, and overall layout. Some elements may appear differently once the page becomes wider, so a quick review can help you make sure everything still looks clean and professional. This is a very simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your document is presented, especially when working with content that needs a broader format. Once you know where to find the setting, you can switch orientations anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to landscape in WPS Office.